What if I told you? The smooth, chocolatey Nutella you love goes through an intense, high-tech transformation before reaching your spoon. And what if I told you this delicious spread has a secret past, filled with war, scarcity, and, surprisingly, a lack of chocolate? Stay with me, because what you're about to see might make you appreciate or rethink your next Nutella indulgence. To understand Nutella's creation, we have to rewind to World War II, a time of extreme cocoa shortages. Chocolate was a luxury, and an Italian pastry maker, Pietro Ferrero, had an idea: stretch the limited supply of cocoa by mixing it with ground hazelnuts. The result? Gian de Jote, Nutella's humble ancestor. Fast forward to today, and Nutella is a global empire, selling over 365,000 tons a year. That's one jar sold every 2.5 seconds. Think about that. By the time you finish watching this video, Nutella has already made another $1 million. Maybe we're in the wrong business. But where do the ingredients come from? 80% of the hazelnuts come from Turkey, specifically the Black Sea region. These little nuts are sorted, cleaned, and roasted to perfection before heading to the factory. And this is where things get serious. Once the hazelnuts arrive at the Nutella factory, they undergo rigorous quality control. Only the best make the cut. But what happens to the rejects? You might be shocked to find out. Don't worry, they aren't tossed to squirrels. Instead, they're repurposed for other food products. Next, the heart of the process, the blending of hazelnut paste, cocoa, sugar, and palm oil. The mixture undergoes precise temperature control to achieve that iconic silky texture. Ever tried spreading Nutella straight from the fridge? Yeah, that's why they have to get the texture just right. Once blended, the mixture is cooled, aerated, and homogenized, ensuring every jar has the same addictive consistency. And now, the final act, packaging. But here's where Nutella does something unexpected. In just 1 hour, a single Nutella factory can produce 600,000 jars. But did you know their famous glass jars are designed for maximum efficiency? Every detail is engineered, from vacuum-sealed lids that keep it fresh to the shape of the jar, allowing for easy scooping. But here's something Nutella doesn't want you to think about. Despite its hazelnut-rich branding, Nutella is over 50% sugar and palm oil. In fact, if you separated its ingredients, you'd get a jar where more than half is pure white sugar. Basically, Nutella is a dessert disguised as a breakfast food. But hey, who are we to judge? Still, concerns over palm oil sourcing have sparked debates. While Ferrero claims to use sustainably sourced palm oil, critics argue it still contributes to deforestation and habitat loss. So, next time you dip a spoon into Nutella, ask yourself, are you indulging in a timeless treat or supporting a complex industry? Love it or hate it, Nutella is here to stay. Whether you spread it on toast, drizzle it over pancakes, or eat it straight from the jar, its journey from hazelnut farms to your kitchen is nothing short of fascinating. So, what do you think? Should Nutella's recipe be changed, or is it perfect the way it is? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more mind-blowing food industry secrets.